what the three of you had. I don't even know what to call it, but
Detective
Sherlock?
Sherlock.
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 Sherlock Holmes, sir. It's an unusual name.
Jane, it's Sarah, the Duchess of York.
A. Scarpetta. Do solemnly swear I will faithfully and impartially.
What's a pirate?
Take it all in.
Our solar system.
The greatest discovery in human history.
We can't believe.
money to Mars.
We have to be self-sufficient. Time is running out, and they're going to destroy any help.
Without your home planet,
March is finally here and it is bringing some of the most anticipated shows of the year right to our screens. From massive franchise sequels to brand new mystery dramas. In this video, we are counting down the top 10 best March upcoming TV shows 2026 that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Let's get started. But guys, first smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. And we are guys only 9,000 subscribers far away to reach 1k subscribers. So please like the video and subscribe the channel, and I hope guys I will get 5,000 subscribers from this video, so please like, share, subscribe. Let's dive in. Number 10, For All Mankind Season 5. If you have ever wondered what the world would look like if the space race never ended, For All Mankind has been answering that question for 4 incredible seasons, and now it's back for its 5th. Season 5 drops on Apple TV Plus starting March 27, 2026, and it's look like the biggest chapter yet. This season jumps forward in time to a world where Mars is no longer just a research outpost. It is a full-blown colony with thousands of people living and working there. But life on Mars is not peaceful. Earth wants control and the Martian settlers are not ready to give it up. That tension is the heartbeat of this season. New faces like Mira Yunus join the cast alongside familiar favorites, and the stakes have never felt higher. With the Mars versus Earth conflict brewing and deeper space exploration on the horizon, Season 5 feels like everything the show has been building toward from the very beginning. Number 9, One Piece Season 2. Season 2 of Netflix's hit live-action show One Piece is returning on March 10th. Officially titled One Piece Into the Grand Line, it is picking up right where the Straw Hats left off. We are leaving the East Blue and heading straight into the most dangerous and unpredictable stretch of sea in the entire world. And trust us, nothing could have fully prepared them for what's waiting. This season covers the adventure from Lockdown all the way to Drum Island. That means we will see Luffy and the crew navigate the mystery's Grand Line and face off against the dangerous criminal organization Baroque Works. But the highlight for most fans is definitely Tony Chopper. The team is using a cool mix of CGI and special effect to bring our favorite reindeer doctor to life. While the massive Alabasta battle is being saved for Season 3, this season promises better special effect and even more heart. It is the perfect time to grab your straw hat and join the adventure. Number 8, Rooster. Steve Carell is back on TV, and this time he is trading the office for a college campus starting March 8. Rooster is a brand new HBO comedy that follows a writer who somehow ends up tangled in his daughter's college life. And as you can imagine, this gets hilariously uncomfortable fast. Created by Bill Lawrence, the man behind Ted Lasso and Scrubs, this show already has the DNA of something really special. Lawrence has a gift for blending laugh out loud comedy with genuine heart. And Rooster like it is a following that same formula. Add Steve Carell's natural charm to the mix and you have got a recipe that's hard to ignore. The supporting cast is stacked too, with Daniel Day-Wheeler, Phil Dunster and Daniel Britton all making appearances throughout the season, with 10 episodes dropping weekly every Sunday. This one is shaping up to be one of the best comedies of 2026. Number 7, TTF St. Louis. The creator Steven Conrad has a reputation for making shows that are weird in the best possible way, and DTF St. Louis looks like no different. Premiering March 1st on HBO and Max, this 7-episode limited series is a dark comedy that proves middle-aged boredom can be a dangerous thing. The show follows 3 middle-aged adults feeling stuck in their daily routines. They decide to spice things up by joining a local dating app. Soon that quest for a little excitement quickly spirals into a messy love triangle, slowly tearing apart a marriage and settling of a chain of events that ends with something turning up dead. Yes, it goes there. It also brings together three of Hollywood's most iconic faces, Jason Bateman, David Harbour and Linda Cardellini, in a story that will definitely be a hot topic amongst everyone this spring. Number 6. Scarpetta. This highly anticipated series is based on Patricia Cornwell's best-selling novels, books that have sold over 120 million copies worldwide. Nicole Kidman plays as the Dr. K. Scarpetta, a brilliant forensic pathologist who uses science to speak for victims who can no longer speak for themselves. But things get complicated fast. A brutal murder, mysteries, personal baggage and secret from the past all start closing in her at once. The story cleverly jumps between two timelines, showing us who K was and who she is become. Nicole is also joined by Jamie Lee Curtis, who plays her complicated sister Dorothy, adding more excitement to the show. Whether you have read all 29 books or are totally new to the story, this looks like it will be the next big must-watch mystery. Number 5. The Lady. The Lady is a 4-part miniseries that tells the shocking real-life story of Jane Andrews, a working-class girl from a small northern town who somehow landed one of the most prestigious jobs in England. Personal dresser to Sarah Ferguson, the Duchess of Yorkshire, it follows a Jane's journey as she fits into the high society world of the royal family, only for it all to come crashing down. After 9 years of service, she is let go and her life spills out of control. She spent so much time with the royals, she started to think she was one of them. The story takes a dark turn when her relationship with businessman Thomas Cressman ends in a shocking murder that gripped the UK in the early 2000s. Starring Mia McKenna, Bruce as Jenny and Natalie Dormer as Sarah Ferguson. This series is made by the same producers behind The Crown, so you know the quality is going to be top notch. It is a fascinating look at how a real life fairy tale can turn into a nightmare. Number 4. Rock. A brand new version of the world's most famous detective is coming to your screen. Young Sherlock premieres on Amazon Prime Video on March 4 and it is already breaking the internet. The show trailer recently smashed records with over 223 million views in just 1 week, proving everyone is dying to see this original story. Forget the calm and older Sherlock we used to know. This series takes us back to the 1870s to meet a 19-year-old Sherlock at Oxford University. He is rebellious, unfiltered and in way over his head. When he is framed for a murder, he has to use his raw instincts to solve his first real case, which turns into a massive global conspiracy. The show is directed by Guy Ritchie, so expect plenty of fast-paced action and style. It also features an amazing cast, including hero Finn Tiffin as Sherlock and Colin FDH. Plus, we get to see a young James Morardi long before he became a supervillain. All 8 episodes drop at once, making it is the perfect weekend binge. Number 2. Deadlock Season 2. The Season 2 of Prime Video hit show Deadlock is coming on March 20 and it is hotter than ever. This time, it takes our favorite detective duo Julie and Eddie out of cold Tasmania and drops them right in the middle of the scorching Northern Territory. They head to Darwin to look into the death of Eddie's old police partner, but things quickly spill out of control when a mysterious body part turns up in a remote town called Bear Creek. With the local police completely swamped, it is up to Dulles and Eddie to crack the case on their own in a place full of secrets. Joining the cast this season are some exciting new faces, including Luke Hemsworth and Sarah Sabin. So we can definitely expect plenty of the dark humor that made the show a hit. With all 6 episodes dropping together, this one is shaping up to be even wilder than the first season. Number 1. Imperfect Woman. If you love psychological thriller that keep you guessing, Imperfect Woman might just be your next obsession. Coming to Apple TV Plus on March 18, 2026, this limited series is based on the novel by Armina Hale and tells the story of 3 best friends whose seemingly perfect lives are torn apart by a shocking murder. Mary, Eleanor and Nancy have been close for decades, but when a killing brings everything out into the open, dark secret starts surfacing and nothing about their friendship is what it appeared to be. As a detective digs deeper into the case, guilt, betrayal and hidden desire all come profiling to the surface. Carrie Vansigatten and Elizabeth Mossland lead the series and both are also producing it, so you know they are fully invested. With 8 episodes dropping weekly, this is the kind of slow burn thriller that will have you hooked from the very first scene.